Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. This is a beginner video tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to work the magic circle. The magic circle looks difficult, but it's pretty easy when you get to understand the loop. It took me some time to learn the magic circle when I was crocheting. I really hope this video helps you. Now for this I am using crochet yarn. This is 4-ply yarn, but you can use whatever yarn you're comfortable with. And I'm using crochet hook 3 millimeters. It really helped me to learn crocheting when I was using a thinner needle, but you can work with whatever needle you are comfortable with. So let's get started. To make a magic circle, you need to hold your yarn between your last two fingers like this, and you need to roll your yarn between your first two fingers like this and hold your yarn with the help of your thumb. Now you have your X. Now you go under this yarn and pull through like this and twist your work. You need to make sure you're holding your work loose. I'll show you this one more time. You hold on to your yarn between your fingers, your last two fingers, and roll it between your first two fingers and hold it with your thumb. You go under this thread, under this yarn, pull through and turn your work. Make sure you're holding your yarn loose. It's easier to learn crocheting when you hold your yarn loose. Now after you twist your hook, you need to again pull through this yarn and pull it through the loop that we made like this. Now you hold on to this and you have your magic circle. Now the short yarn is the end of your yarn that you will pull to make your loop smaller once you finish working your stitches, and this is called your working yarn, which you will work to make your stitches in your ring. Now you can, while working your magic ring, it's always better to hold both the yarns together, the one with the ring and as well as the end of your yarn to pull it through. So you can go ahead and work in your loop like this. This is one single crochet that I made here, and that is how you work your magic circle. I hope this video helped you learn. You need to keep practicing and you will surely get the magic circle right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crochet beginner tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.